Little things. Story time. Beautiful beach.
A few months back we had a chance to go to a beach party. My parents had taken me to a beach when I was 2 years old. I do not remember anything of that trip. My sister had never been to a beach. So, we were very excited to go to the beach. We were staying at a hotel near the sea. We could see it and hear the sound. I was very happy. We wore good, colorful dresses and went to the party. It was evening. The sun was setting. When we reached near the beach, I saw lots of garbage and litter. There was foul smell. I did not like it. My sister did not like it too. The beach was also not clean. Thankfully, the party was at a clean place. It was a great party. Friends of my parents had come with their children. I found many friends. There were many games and a magic show too. We enjoyed a lot. After dinner, everyone decided to go for a walk. But there was too much litter and after some time the smell became very bad. We all decided to go back to the hotel. I asked my parents why the beach was so dirty. My parents explained that careless people were damaging the nature. They were throwing garbage and there was no one to clean it up. It was not like this when they were here last. I and my sister were very sad. In the night I could not sleep. After midnight, I heard someone crying. It was very disturbing. I woke up my parents. "Someone is crying," I said. My parents also heard it. We went out to look out. We had torch with us. We found it was coming from the seaside. We went ahead and found that some of the sea animals were at the shore and they were crying. There were fishes, turtles, crabs, and others. They were all dirty. We knew that they were crying because the beach and the sea are dirty. We were very sad. We came back to our hotel with heavy heart. Next morning, I woke up and asked my parents to help me clean the beach and the sea. They said that it would not be possible for us to clean the entire area. My sister joined me and said that we will clean the beach. The parents finally agreed. We bought few bins and bags to pick the garbage. My parents called their friends. Soon, the entire group was at the beach picking the garbage and cleaning it up. Soon many other people joined us. It was very difficult, but we continued. By evening, we had cleaned the entire beach. Everyone was happy. A hotel owner invited us to a dinner party. We enjoyed a lot. In the night, while returning, we went to the beach again. The sea animals were again there. They were happy and playing. I felt very good. Moral: we need to protect our nature and environment not only for us, but for other living beings.
Thanks for watching. Keep learning. If you liked this video then please spread the word. Like, share, and subscribe.